Avpro is proud to present this Bombardier Global 6000, serial number 9838. The Global 6000 aircraft has class-leading power with almost 17 hours of endurance, proven reliability with class-leading maintenance intervals, and ample cabin space for workstations. Serial number 9838 houses a flexible interior configuration from 14 to 16 passengers, including forward crew and aft passenger lavatories. Aft cabin bulkheads with full decorative panels and metal inlays. Ventilation air duct covers upholstered in leather and custom wool carpeting. The entryway consists of a forward galley with a crew rest area, crew lav, and electric pocket door. The forward cabin contains 4-place club seats, while the mid-cabin contains a 4-place conference group with high-low table opposite a 3-place divan with an additional electric pocket door for privacy. Finally, the aft cabin contains 2 single seats opposite a 3-place divan and a removable right-hand bulkhead top panel. Connectivity and entertainment features include Honeywell JetWave MCS 8000 Ka band, Collins SAT 2200 Swift Broadband, forward and aft bulkhead-mounted 24-inch HD monitors, and a dual Blu-ray player. The Bombardier Global 6000, serial number 9838, presented exclusively by Avpro. Avpro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.